Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to do an unboxing for a wireless microphone. I like this product because it's really easy to operate and there's no need to download any kind of app or software. So now let's see what we got inside this box. Okay, so what comes included in the box in here, we have all the components ready to go. This is the mic with a clip on it, so it's really easy to operate. And this is the receiver. It's a Type-C. And this is the charge cable, and this is an adapter. So as you can see with the adapter here, it's going to be available for both Android mobile phone users or iPhone users. So as you can see, you could just plug it in. This is an instruction manual. And here with the receiver, you just plug it in. I'm an iPhone user, and now press the button on the mic here until you see the light turns blue and it's ready to go. So at the moment, I'm actually recording the audio from this mic here, and I'm gonna switch on to the internal mic setting of this phone to show some differences it actually makes. Okay, so this is how I sound in the video right now. I'm making this video at my sister's place. It's rather quiet, I would say. We are at home, it's not that noisy, even though we got the TV on. Okay, so now I am back with the mic here. I would definitely say it does really well on the noise reduction. Even though I'm at home and there are some distances between me and the cell phone, especially for people who are doing live stream, and you don't have to shout all the time because you've got the mic here and people can hear you perfectly. So I would say this is a great product for anyone who just started on making their videos, be it a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, a vlogger, or doing an interview or making a podcast. This baby is so ready to go, very portable and ready to go anywhere, anytime.